Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. I got this 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee with a check engine light on, P0456. As you know, that's a Evap small leak. All right, so I already did the smoke test. You know, I recommend doing a smoke test when you're dealing with small leaks, okay? That's the best way to find them. And what we come up with, or what I came up with, is leaking at the ESIM area. So what I'm gonna do is put an ESIM on it, replace the ESIM and the O-ring that goes to the ESIM. Now the ESIM is attached to the canister, and depending on what kind of car you're working on will determine its location. They're hidden all over the place, so you gotta find out where your canister is, and that will point you in the right direction of where the ESIM is. All right, so let's get this thing replaced, and I'll talk some more about it in a second. Let's go for it. All right, so let's get to it. First of all, here's my new ESIM and the O-ring. Do not forget to put the O-ring. I always use new O-ring. Now this particular ESIM is located on the left rear wheel area. So there it is right there. Bolted to the vapor canister. It's real simple to do. Simply, of course, unplug the electrical connector, remove the vent tube. Y'all know about the tab under the bottom of the ESIM. I can't get a picture of it, but it's a tab on it. You got to pull upwards to release it from the canister, and then you simply turn it like that. At that point, you just remove it. Again, do not, I repeat, do not use the same O-ring, okay? Because that's really probably was leaking all along. When I install my smoke machine, I can see smoke coming under the wheelbase area and find out the source of the leak was around in this area. So what we're doing is simply installing a new ESIM. Here's the tab I was talking about earlier. In order to remove it, you got to simply push that downward like that. So it will come out of this groove. That makes the installation and removal process very easy. So to install, simply set on here, find the groove part to it, and turn it clockwise until you're in the groove. Try to rock back and forth. If you can rock back and forth, you're not in the groove. If you can't, you're in the groove, so you're good to go. Simply install the vent tube back on and the electrical connector. Redo your smoke tech. Always verify that you repaired the car by retesting, okay? All right, there you have it, man. Like I said, there's nothing to it. Replacing the ESIM on this car. What do you do after you replace the ESIM? You should re-smoke test it, because you want to verify that the repair was a success. Okay, now we have ways we can do it in our scan tool, but I'd rather physically do the smoke test again and verify that it was fixed. And I re-smoke tested, no more leaks, and I deem this a successful repair. All right, now in a separate video, I'm gonna show y'all the smoke machine that we use and how we use it to find Evap leaks. All right, thanks for watching, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.